While in a squatting position, maintain equal distance between both the knees and keep the feet flat. Then, place your palms in between the knees and flat on the ground while maintaining the knees and elbows at the same level. Bend the torso forward while lifting both the legs up so that the whole body balances solely on the palms. While in this posture, maintain a straight gaze so that your body balances properly. You can hold this posture for at least 20 seconds to a minute while breathing normally and repeat it once or twice consecutively. Finally, return to the original position.
Bring both your legs out in front of you, pointing the toes inwards. See to that your back is straight and the spine is extended with the chest opening, giving your body and your lungs enough space to breathe. The ribcage should have enough space for your lungs to be able to expand. As you inhale, you raise both the arms up, extending the spine further, bringing the hands in line with the ears. As you exhale, you bring the chin out and come down as low as you can. If you can, you hold your toes and bring the elbows down on either side of your feet, bringing your forehead to rest on your legs. If you can even take the arms around your feet and come down. As you raise up, you bring the hands in line with the ears. Inhale, extend the spine upwards. Exhale, bring both the hands down.
For warrior number 2, it is kind of a continuation from warrior 1 and it goes like a flow. So let's imagine that we are into the warrior 1. So again, taking care of the alignment, and from warrior 1, so just observe in 1, your hands are tall and nice, creating length in your back, and for number 2, nothing changes in your lower body. Your lower body is just grounded and stable, no movement, literally no movement. And from here, for number 2, just keep your breath really normal and bring your body away from your knee and still maintaining the knee position and the alignment, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release.
Right hand should be in Vishnu Mudra. For Vishnu Mudra, the first 2 fingers are bent towards the base of the spine. The thumb is kept outwards. The left hand is kept in Chin Mudra. You can place the index finger at the base of your thumb, or you can place it at the tip of your thumb. These two are kept at knee level. I'm going to now begin by placing my right thumb on my right nostril. Anuloma Viloma always begins with the left nostril. There is no counting for pregnant women. You inhale till you're comfortable. Block the left nostril and exhale right. Inhale through the right. Block right, exhale left. This is 1 round of Anuloma Viloma. You can practice how many ever rounds you want till you are comfortable. Minimum is 6 rounds. Please do not practice with any counts or with any holds.
Today I'm going to introduce to you a style of breathing that's called Ujjayi breathing. It is the primary foundation of the Ashtanga style of yoga practice. It's also called as the breath of fire in English. And what that means is it builds heat from within. It helps you become more flexible and helps you get deeper into the posture. In other styles of yoga, pranayama is just restricted to 5 minutes before or 5 minutes after the practice. But in all honesty, we never stop breathing through our lives. In this Ashtanga style, the Ujjayi breathing is something you practice through the entire asana practice. So what does it look like? It almost sounds like a soft snoring sound. How you do it is, imagine you have a glass in front of you and you want to fog it up with your breath. So you'll blow ha, right? So just do the same thing but with your mouth closed. So it causes a small constriction to your throat and it sounds like this. So you breathe in. So it almost sounds like the soft sound of an ocean, right? And if you can maintain this breath through the entire practice, you'll find that you're able to hold asanas a lot longer without your muscles quivering and your mind darting about everywhere. So hopefully that helps you keep your practice a lot more steady than where it is now.